Hi everybody, I am Rajalakshmi Ganapati from Innerwheel Club of Nagarkovil, and this is Parvati Vijaykumar, President of Innerwheel Club of Nagarkovil. Today we are here to meet a very special person. She is a Talaivi. She is a taskmaster. She is a friend. She is a sister too. Guys, what do you need every day? Please tell me. It's food, right? Yes, she is named after the ruling deity of Varanasi, the goddess who provides food to the whole of the universe. I don't want to keep the suspense any longer. We are meeting our own Mrs. Annapurni Udayappan, District Chairman, District 321 today. Welcome, Mrs. Annapurni Udayappan.
Thank you. Thank you. Happy to be here with you all today.
Yeah, thank you so much. Formal interview. So we have named it as Unwinding Annam. I hope you like the name.
Yeah.
And, yes, this is the ruling deity of Kashi, of Varanasi, Annapurni Devi, and our chairman has been named after this deity, Annapurni. Be very Kundaka Mandaka questions. Hope you don't mind. But do remember that it is just for fun.
Good afternoon. Welcome to this very eminent and very nice interview session. நம்ம இந்த பேண்டமிக் சமயத்துல நம்மளுக்கு ஒருத்தரை சந்திக்காமலே நம்மளை பத்தி நிறைய நம்மளோட இன்னர் ஃபீலிங்ஸ் ஆகட்டும் எந்த ஒரு இதனால நமக்கு ஒரு நல்ல ஒரு கிரேட் பாண்டிங் வித் ஆல் த பிரசிடென்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆல் த மெம்பர்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சிருக்கு.
Pandemicல many of the clubs have opted this. Many clubs have come out with different questions now. So எனக்கு நீங்க இப்ப unwinding ன்னு வச்சிருக்கீங்க. It was like rewinding for me, and I'm happy here to be associated with you today, and as far as possible I will answer all your questions, and I'm happy to do that.
We hear from you and also from other friends of you. Your mentor is your husband, your beloved husband. அவரு தான் உங்களை டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் கவர்னரா டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் சேர்மன் ஆக்கணும் அந்த மாதிரிப்பட்ட ஒரு எண்ணத்தை உங்களுக்குள்ள விதைச்சது மென்டர் பத்தி we have to hear from your words.
Because after him it is almost going to be 11 years since he passed away, and from many years those who were acquainted with me, they will know so much. Like I will be even the same thing about him, I will be talking repeatedly to so many people. This is what has been my thing for so many years, and even my son used to tell me, keep repeating so many times, please don't tell. It's high time you just keep your emotions with you. When we got married, he was 19 years old and I was 21 years old. So I was 2 years older to him, but he took this as if I am a celebrity. He used to celebrate me as a celebrity, comparing me to, all those, the cricketer Tendulkar and Aishwarya. He used to, teach me so many things. Like, although he was much younger to me, and that is not an age where you teach someone in the 90s. When children were there, I was totally with the children. So when they were finishing college and when they had to leave, there was a void place there which has to be filled. And he was the one he told me, there's one club like this. We were in Rotary that time. So there is one Innerwheel club, so why don't you join there? And then I got in. The second year, I became the secretary. Actually, there was a request for me to be the president. When he came home, I said, he said, can't you use your brain? Why can't you be the president? He said, that doesn't matter. And then I became the secretary that year. And after that, the president, and the president, he will read my face up to what is happening. Actually, we had one big hall where 1,000 people could gather. I told him, Here is a person like my father and my husband they just, I told you, there's a celebrity feeling, Ramari, they used to make me like one queen feeling. So they, and the whatever we had, the 1,000 people, you won't believe they filled the whole thing. The whole auditorium is full. You know, they were so happy that I am there as a president, and every time, whenever he sees me something on my face, he will be there to sort out things, even for Innerweal. Even after him, he is a mentor for me. Always he gives me some intuitions. So I really admire him for what it is and happy about this. And he's been teaching me perfectness, dedicated. You should be dedicated. So that's, I can speak lots and lots about him. So that's it. I had a very great life. We lived around 25 years together, but that is all unforgettable. And always it is with tears I speak about him. But over the years, now I'm thinking, yes, we have lived something nice, and so we have to share it with everybody. So I'm happy.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very touching.
Behind a successful woman, there is a man.
There are three men, I should say. One is my father, one is my husband, and now it is my son.
நம்ம chairmanshipல இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணணும் நீங்க திங்க் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க. Because of this pandemic அதெல்லாம் நடக்காம போயிடுச்சு. ஆனா இப்ப உங்களுக்கு ஒரு சான்ஸ். If your chairmanship extended for 30 more days to you as a surprise to conduct all the events physically, what would you do with those days?
Okay. That is really a surprise, but I would like to finish my chairman within the time frame which is given to me, first of all. Because I am a person who takes life as it is destined to me. Okay. They are going to give me 30 more days. Now I think with all the presidents, almost we have finished most of the, all those, the work and everything, the paperwork, everything is over. And they are doing excellent services, I should say. In the pandemic, even as the normal day, so only thing what I'm missing is the physical contact with them, physically going and meeting them. So on the 30 days will be full of competition, where I'll be meeting all the presidents. So only thing what I should do is I should enjoy the friendship with them. So all the 30 days, I will make it sure I go and visit 2 to 3 clubs at least every day.
எங்க கிளப் தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்.
Yeah, surely. அங்க வந்து எல்லாரும் கூட சாப்பிடணும், பேசணும், and just அவங்க என்ன நல்லா இம்பார்ட்டண்டா என்ன ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணிருக்காங்களோ அதை if they take me, I will go and visit to them. But surely it will be visiting all the 30 people, all the 37 members, presidents and the clubs, because that is more important. I would like to enjoy the physical meets about them. Go and meet with them and enjoy their friendship. And the food, everything. So that is what is missing.
அன்னபூர்ணியா இருந்துட்டு ஃபுட் தராம எப்படி?
As a child, what did you think would be awesome about being an adult? But is it as awesome as you thought?
As I told you, எங்க வீட்ல வந்து everything was given to me. See, இப்ப ஒரு வீட்ல வந்து ஒரு பாக்கெட் மணிக்கு கூட எல்லாரும் கேக்குற சமயத்துல they will give me 200 rupees pocket money na. My dad used to give me 500 rupees because he knows that she will not spend it, okay? That the responsibility irukun therinjadanaala he won't think. All the freedom was given, everything was given to me. But one thing was, engaloda community la we used to get married at the age of 18 to 20. Namalukku nichayam kalyanam agapodhu. Kalyanam aita avladha endha responsibility namalukku irukadu. Somebody is going to take care of us. So I thought that learning or nothing I'm going to do. Appadida. This is a ulta madri aitru. So, but after getting married, only then I started learning so many things. So many things were there to learn. And after my husband, the responsibility even increased so much. So, அந்த சின்னதுல எவ்வளவு நம்ம ரெஸ்பான்சிபிளா இல்ல, எந்த எய்ம்ஸும் இல்லாம இருந்தோமோ அதுக்கு மாறா வந்து there were so many responsibilities to be taken. Generations came after the age of 21, I should say. And now at the age of this 50, 55, I'm having so many things I should learn this, adellame. Now I'm aspiring to do so many things.
Which of your vices or bad habits would be the hardest to give up?
This is of late, of some years, maybe say many years, I sleep very late and get up late. So the same thing has become in my house also, my grandchildren, my son, everybody, we work so briskly. It was a medical thing of or surgery kapra it started having this thing, and the sleep it started shifting, and now it is not, I am not able to get over that at all, but that's a very bad habit, which at least after this chairmanship, I think I should make it a time 10 மணிக்கு எந்திரிச்சு காலையில தூங்கிட்டு காலையில எந்திரிக்கணும். That is the bad thing which I would like to change.
If you built a themed hotel, what would the theme be and what would the rooms look like?
Now we have a themed restaurant which was started just for me. It was one of my son's friend who had started the Superstar restaurant, Superstar Pizza restaurant at Chennai. So it was my son who thought, okay, let us bring it to our place here at Trichy just for me. So in the themed restaurant, it is all about Rajinikanth. All the pictures will be of Rajini's thing. But ever if I start another themed hotel, I would like to have some nice, bright, some catching things which will be more for the children as well as the all age groups. Something. And now we have a themed hotel restaurant with Rajini's, which I like that also so much. So I learn about Rajinikanth now and then, how it is. The Superstar restaurant has given me another name also. So now they identify me as Superstar Ma'am. That is how they call me. Even in a market or any school, any places I go, they will call me like that, Superstar Ma'am vandirukanga. Because
Unwinding Anna, we have a superstar. இது எப்படி இருக்கு? So happy. இனிமே நாங்க உங்களை சூப்பர் தான் கூப்பிடுவோம்.
You just close this note just like இது எப்படி இருக்கு, just with Rajini style.
நான் சொல்லணுமா?
ஆமா.
இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டான்ஸ் ஆட சொல்றதோ ஒரு தெரியா சொல்றதோ எல்லாம் அதுதான் எனக்கு இருக்கிற வாழ்க்கையில ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். But okay.
Okay.
Why expressive as that, but anyway, for your
Thank you. What life skills are rarely taught but extremely useful?
In the question, I think you should, logical thinking and self-responsibility should be taught from the very small age. இப்ப இருக்க clever kids-க்கோ இல்ல எல்லாருக்குமே they have the logical way of thinking. Always I've told my children, என்ன தப்பா இருந்தாலும் it is your responsibility to tell the parents. Okay, என்ன தப்பா இருக்கட்டும், you tell them. We will be able to relieve you. ஒரு தப்பா மறைக்க போய் நிறைய வந்துடும். So first of all, அவங்களுக்கு கம்ஃபர்ட் இருக்கணும், அம்மா அப்பா கேட்பாங்கன்னு. பட் இட் இஸ் அவர் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி டு கிவ் தெம் அந்த சோஷியல் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி அவங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கணும். ஒன்ஸ் வி கிவ் தெம் திஸ் ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி இன் அ வெரி ஸ்மால் ஏஜ், தென் தே வில் பிகம் எல்லாத்துலயும் லாஜிக்கா திங்க் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிருவாங்க. ரொம்ப படிச்சுக்கிட்டே இருக்கிறவங்களை விட கூட இந்த லாஜிக்கல் திங்கிங்கும் அவங்கள ரெஸ்பான்சிபிள் பர்சன் நம்ம ஆக்கிட்டோம்னா தட்ஸ் a very nice thing which is not taught every time, but you should make them think and do that. That's what I feel.
Nice.
நீங்க ஒரு தடவை சொன்னா 100 தடவை சொன்ன மாதிரி.
What tips and tricks have you picked up from your chairmanship?
Yes. And இந்த ட்ரிக்ஸ் சொல்றதை விட நிறைய நான் கத்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கிறேன். I am a very patient person to tell you that. ஆனா இந்த இது வந்த உடனே எனக்கு ரொம்பவே டிப்ரெஷனா இருந்துச்சுதான். இது எப்படி நம்ம கொண்டு போறோம்னு இருந்துச்சு. ஒரு 1 or 2 days I was there அந்த மாதிரி. But after that, I thought, okay, this is destined for us and we have to carry about that. First of all, I thought that there has to be dedication. நம்ம எவ்வளவு டெடிகேட்டடா நம்ம இதை எடுத்து நடத்துறோமோ அந்த அளவுக்கு we will feel satisfied. அப்புறம் ட்ரிக்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்றதை விட my thing is, my way of dealing people is no authority, but to get together people and to motivate them. Whatever I know, I will motivate them. So அந்த மோட்டிவேஷன் இருக்கணும்னு நான் நினைப்பேன். அதை விட ஒரு ஹார்மனியோட நம்ம சேரணும், எல்லாருமே சேர்ந்து ஒருத்தங்களை ஷேர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். So wherever I am there, even if it is my a person whom I don't like or whom I'm not speaking with, அவங்க கூட ஏதாவது ஒண்ணு பண்ணிருந்தாங்கன்னா I will share. I really appreciate them that they have done that. So what I learned is you should keep appreciating always. You should keep motivating them and you should work with harmony with everybody. And the harmony without authority and no authority, and that doesn't work. I know that, and I'm not authoritative person too. So that is what, and people are enjoying that, which I can see. And appreciation is a miracle. And now that is really shown in all the bonding of all the presidents. They were so nice with me. So I'm sure that has really worked out. Parvati as a president should be experiencing how my period was. Now it is my question to ask you also. So
I think your trick is the motivation, the tip.
எங்களுக்கு உங்களை பார்த்தா ஒரு மேத் டீச்சர் மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். Strict officer.
Actually, I'm strict, but I'm not like that. My looks show me professional.
What's the most useless talent you have? Most useless talent.
எதையுமே நான் வந்து யூஸ்லெஸ்ன்னு நான் சொல்ல மாட்டேன். But my inborn character is to be patient and calm. I will think நம்ம இப்ப இருக்கிறதுனால when people may take advantage of us anytime, it will work out well. நம்ம patient ஆ இருந்தாலும் calm ஆ இருந்தாலும். But sometimes when something overrules, I will think இதுல இருந்து என்ன பிரயோஜனம். But it's not அது நினைக்கிறது கூட தப்பு. Patientness to nicely to go through that, and so sometimes I think that patient ஆ இருக்கிறது தப்போ நினைப்போம். அந்த மோமெண்ட்டுக்கு அது இருக்கும். But again I will go back that we have to be patient, listen, then understand, and then work. So that really works. That only I can say.
Thank you. And I will be back with some questions. Now over to our active 100 member Rajam Ganapathy.
நான் சொல்லிடுறேன், நான் ரொம்ப நல்ல ஆளு, இவ்வளவு மாதிரி கிடையாது. ரொம்ப ஸ்ட்ரெயிட் ஃபார்வர்ட் கொஸ்டின்ஸ் தான் நான் கேட்க போறேன் உங்கள்ட்ட. சின்ன பாப்பாவா இருக்குமா, அதாவது பாப்பா கூட இல்ல, ஸ்கூல்ல படிக்கும்போது நீங்க எப்படி முட்டி போட்டிருக்கீங்களா, டீச்சர் அடி வாங்கிருக்கீங்களா, இல்ல ரொம்ப ஸ்டூடியஸா?
நான் ஸ்கூல்ல எப்படி இருந்தேன், you all want me to
very eager to know.
ஸ்கூல்ல வந்து not a very big என்ன சொல்றது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரேங்க் அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாம் கிடையாது. So until I joined a boarding school in Trichy, my uncle who was in the next house will have a TV. So even at the exam time, I used to go there and see the TV. Never used to study, and the marks used to be almost in 2 digits or 1 digit also. In 8th standard, they thought, okay, let me leave her in the boarding school. And I was the only person coming from Chennai. When the admissions ஆனதுல நான் சென்னையில இருந்து வந்திருக்கேன். சென்னையில இருந்து வந்தவொடனே they thought, okay, she will be, அந்த ஒரு இது வந்துருச்சு எல்லாருக்குமே, இவன் நல்லா படிப்பா போல அப்படின்னு. So this was the time it took a turning point. அப்ப nobody forced me, you have to learn, you have to do like this, nothing. So I started learning by myself. Only I started learning and it all worked out very well. My parents were happy even if I get the last rank. Whatever I did, they were happy. And the responsibility எனக்கு வந்த உடனே தான் I started learning. That was in 8th standard. முன்னாடி கேட்ட கொஸ்டினுக்கு தான் நான் சொல்றேன், அந்த ரெஸ்பான்சிபிலிட்டி அவங்க எப்ப அந்த சைல்டு ரியலைஸ் பண்ணிடுதோ, I think it will start working by itself. So that is why I just stressed on that thing also.
என்ன அழகான ஒரு பிக்சரை பாக்குறீங்க, பாத்துக்கோங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ல. பியூட்டிஃபுல் பிக்சர். சோ ஏனுங்க, நீங்க அப்படியே கோயம்புத்தூர் பக்கம் ஒதுங்கிட்டீங்களாமே படிக்கிறதுக்கு? உங்க காலேஜ் லைஃப் பத்தி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க. ரோமியோஸ் எப்படி உங்க பின்னால ரோம் பண்ணிட்டு இருந்தாங்களா?
வேலையே கிடையாது. Because it was once college, Avinash Lingam.
Okay.
Then when we had visitors, அங்க வந்து நிறைய பேர் வந்து அங்க நம்மள ஸ்பை மாதிரி பாத்துக்கிட்டே தான் இருப்பாங்க.
Hi Sindha, how are you? It's a long time that I have spoken to you. My loving regards to all your dear ones. I have a question to you. I hope I'll get an adequate answer for that doubt of mine. A question that comes below is, how can an inner wheel member contest for the position of the executive committee in the Association of Inner Wheel Clubs? Thank you so much. Sorry to trouble you.
Hi Bala, good to hear from you. The answer to your question, the national governing body consists of officers of the association. That is, President, Vice President, immediate past President, Honorable Secretary, Honorable Treasurer, then one representative from each district as the council member and the Constitution Credential Committee Chairman. To be elected in the Executive Committee of the Association of Innovil in India, first and foremost, you must have been a chairman of a district in the association. The next year, after becoming the district chairman, you can get in as the association council member. The coming year, when you are the council member, is the period you become the association secretary or treasurer, the post for which you send in your nomination while you are the district chairman. Honorable Secretary and Treasurer shall be elected by the existing council from amongst the existing district chairmen. It shall be done by postal voting. The election of the association president and vice president shall be postal voting, elected annually by the Innovil clubs. Each club has one vote. The qualification required, she must be a past district chairman and must have served on the council for 1 year at the time of nomination and must have attended at least one council meeting. Honorary Secretary and Treasurer must be an immediate past district chairman at the time of taking office. Association, Constitution and Credential Committee Chairman is a past president of the association. And she is elected by the association EC. The national editor is an ex officio post and again is elected by the clubs. I hope you are clear with the question and my answer.
Could you please explain how Innovil helps to shape the social life of women?
Hi Nirmala, good to hear from you. I would say there are two ways in which will help to shape the social life of a woman. First and foremost, we get lots of friends coming in Innovil. Not only members of our locality from our clubs, but members of different districts and even different countries. So wherever you go, whichever country you are, you have friends there because you have Innovil members there. As you all know, Innovil is spread over 104 countries now. And the other way is you better your life serving people around you.
Hi, Mrs. Lakshmi. This is Shakila Habib, editor of the Innovil Club of Nagarkoil. I have a question for you. Has Innovil caused any adverse effects in your family time? And what's the advice you can give us to balance social life and family responsibilities smoothly? Thanks for your time. Hello everyone. When I took up various posts in the Innovil, time management at the outset was of course a problem to handle. Then I learned to balance all my various duties with trial and error and finally could make justice to all. The main advice I can give is that ladies who are in both the social as well as family forum should prioritize their prime duties. A list write-up separately for family and social work could avoid last-minute anxiety and tension. That was my secret to balance both. Let it be yours too. Thank you.
Dear Mrs. Surya Prabha, I am Nilu Jayanti, Secretary of the Innovil Club of Nagarkoil. As the District Secretary, what's the most challenging task this year, which has come up because of this pandemic?
This pandemic is a situation and no one ever expected. I missed meeting people and doing projects and also meeting all my fellow Innovi friends. Initially, I also felt by using online media, we cannot feel the bond we get while meeting all physically. But more than calling anything as a difficult, I believed It's a huge learning process.
This is Monica Biju, past president of Innerville Club of Nagarkoil. Greetings to everyone. I would like to raise the question to Mrs. Surya Prabha, District Secretary. Hi, ma'am. See, we are in a partial lockdown. So, Innerville Club, international level, district level, and even the club levels. So, everyone is conducting their meetings in a digital platform. So, இது ஃப்யூச்சர்லேயும் இது கண்டினியூ ஆகுமா? அண்ட் மோரோவர் இதை கண்டினியூ ஆச்சுன்னா நம்மளுடைய ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப் அந்த பாண்டிங் எப்படி இருக்கும்? இன்னவியில் பொறுத்த வரைக்குமே அந்த ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப் அண்ட் பாண்டிங் தான் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட் இல்லையா? ஸோ ஹவு வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு டேக் இட் and what the Innerville is going to do for it and how far is going to stand for it. I need your question. I need your answer, ma'am. Thank you.
Safety is the first priority. So, till the situation gets totally safe, we all need to completely rely on using online platform to keep ourselves connected. No one would have ever dreamt about such a scenario, but we all still finding creative ways for handling these online media very beautiful. So I think even in the future, apart from physical meeting, we can still continue to have few online meeting in between, which will still strengthen our friendship.
Hi, dear District Treasurer Anita. I am Jansi Lata, Treasurer of Innerville Club, Nagarkoil. I am happy to have you as District Treasurer. I would like to ask you one question. Kindly answer me, ma'am. You are always busy as a member of many clubs and leader of other social organizations. You participate in many competitions and win the prizes. How can you manage all these things? And how can you take care of your family members? I could see you always being fresh and smiling face. How is it possible? Tell me the secret, please.
Hi friends, warm Innerville greetings. At the outset, I thank the Lord Almighty for His abundant grace. Thank you, dear Shakila Habib, for the nice opportunity to share a few things, even though I'm not very comfortable with the medium, that is audio chat. Let me come to the first question by our club treasurer, Mrs. Jansi Lada. Jansi, you are one of the very active club treasurers of our district 321. Very prompt and very sharp. Yours is a very positive question, Jansi, and actually you made my day. True that I am part of many number of social organizations holding key positions in a few. Priority is the key word I should say. I never compromise or ignore or neglect any of the responsibilities that is given to me. Here I remember a quote by someone: if a man is called to be a street sweeper, he should sweep streets even as Michelangelo painted, or Beethoven composed music, or Shakespeare wrote poetry. I prioritize my work and give my full justice to the work assigned. At the same time, I never neglect my family. My husband always tells my son that he has got a super mom who could balance her family and social activities, giving full justice to both. I never ever accept any post or position out of compulsion or just for the sake of name. I have politely refused many posts these days because I know that it would become a burden. These days I could participate in a few competitions and happy that I could bag prizes also. Reading is my passion, and I'm also very comfortable. I could write fairly well. I always choose night time to write, be it sending emails, communication to clubs, treasurer's work, because that time would be without any disturbance, any external disturbance. And to the last part of your questions, I love to keep myself active, and whatever I do out of my love for it. And that's the answer for the last part of your question. Fresh and smiling face. Thank you, dear Jansi and Shakila.
Dear Ms. Pushpa, I am Damayanti, holding the post of ISO for this year for the Innerville Club of Nagarkovil. I have seen that you as the district ISO work in a very methodical manner. What would you term yourself, a hard worker or a smart worker?
Hello, I'm a very committed and organized person, and these traits extend into all parameters in my life. Without sounding pompous, my duties as the district editor and ISO speak for itself. No pain, no gain, and always quality over quantity. So I guess a hard and smart worker is speaking to you. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Asha Madam, past president of Innerville Club of Nagarkoil. I would like to address a question to the district editor. Increasingly today on social media, I'm seeing pictures posted by IW clubs when they visit a mentally challenged home. They photograph themselves with the inmates and upload these pictures. Do you think it's ethically right to do this? If one of their own were in such homes, would the pictures be widely publicized in social media? Shouldn't Innerville India take a stand on this?
Very good question, Asha. Social media is a double-edged sword, and we, not only Innerville members or women, everyone have to handle it with the utmost care. Second, such homes has their own protocol and has to stick on their rules and regulations without any violation. We will request photograph only for documentation purpose with club banner along with the board of the home and presenting material, not with the inmates. Thank you, dear.
Good evening, Bimla. This is Aruna Suresh from Innerville Club of Nagarkovil. I joined Innerville in the year 1989 during late Mrs. Vasanta Srinivasan's official visit to this place here. I've seen quite a bit in Innerville. My major question to you is there a provision, just like how there is in Rotary, for a matching grant so that we can do bigger projects? Right now, we restrict ourselves to smaller ones because of lack of funds. Though we do a lot of fundraising programs and all that, it's always not very sufficient. I'm not talking in cases of natural calamities like Oki or whatever, because at that time we had very good support from the district for providing relief material and housing for the homeless. I'm asking, suppose we identify a signature project, a big budgeted project, and can we get matching grant either from the association or from the International Innerville to complete it? If it is possible, how do we go about it? Can you please elaborate on this?
Hi, Aruna. The question you've asked regarding matching grants is a question which has often been asked by clubs and districts. But in short, Innerville does not have matching grants either on the district, association or international level. Basically, every club is required to take up projects which is feasible for the club, either by raising funds or taking up projects which do not require any funds. All the same, there are certain districts, I know of District 301 and District 314, where they where the clubs contribute towards one project. If there's an outstanding project, you find a lot of clubs putting forward money towards one single project, and it becomes more or less like a district project, but there is no contribution from the district as such for these projects. Similar way, I'm sure, if you come across a very outstanding project, maybe clubs in our own district can come together towards the completion of such a project. But it all depends whether other clubs are interested and they would like to contribute. If not, as far as your question goes, we do not have any matching grants.
Hello, Ms. Beena. Shakila Habib with you. This is actually a fabulous moment for me to pose a question to such a dynamic person like you in this extraordinary platform. Coming to the question which I am asking on behalf of the budding leaders who are aspiring to enter the District Executive Committee. Should they have an elaborate planned agenda worked out to get in there? And can simpletons fit in quite easily, or will it be too challenging for them? Waiting to hear from you. Thank you.
Good evening, my dear friends. I'm Beena Raja Singh. I've been asked two questions, and I would just like to answer them very briefly. I guess the answer to both your questions can be summed up in just one word, which is passion. Yes, a passion for Innerwheel and what it stands for. A selfless passion to serve, to foster friendship, to be ready to give of your time, talents, and your very spirit. Compassion, commitment, and hard work should be your mantra. Once that is in place, the rest automatically follows. To enter the district, there is no need for a systematic planned agenda. It is not a military campaign. What you have to do is to serve as a member with total dedication and friendship. Every post that you take up in the club, it would be good if you could serve all the posts. This experience will stand you in very good stead as you enter the district, because the club is a reflection of what happens in the district, but on a larger scale. The answer to your second question: no woman can be called a simpleton. Oh no, definitely not. Each of us have our own unique strengths and weaknesses. The beauty of Innerwheel is that it is a forum that trains and teaches. It boosts your self-confidence. It helps you to evolve, to meet every challenge, to take up a lot of responsibility. That is what Innerwheel trains you to do. And finally, as you enter the district, it is not for power and prestige. It is to serve a wonderful, serve society and belong to an amazing, wonderful women's organization in the world. Thank you.
கான்ஃபரன்ஸ் பத்தி சொல்லாம மெட்டிகுலஸ். அதாவது இப்படி ஒரு பர்ஸ்ட் டைம்ல இருந்து பெஸ்ட் எடுக்க முடியுங்கிறதுக்கு யூ ஆர் a standing example. I'd like to know something more, that supportive family that stands behind you, your parents, your son, your daughter.
Okay. After my husband, it was my total support from my family that I'm coming. Even if physically neenga paakradhu enna kuda some years back it was not like that. The smile to get back to me, I was a huger side, nalla weight ah na irupen, heavy person, and not like this actually. So after my husband, the total scenario changed. My physical, the appearance on my face, everything changed. So it was my parents who were there with me all along to do all the weddings. And ஒரு காலத்துல நம்ம அப்பாவுக்கு அப்பா சொன்னாங்கன்னா அதை கேட்போம் அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரில இருந்தோம். ஆனா இந்த காலத்துல வந்து இந்த ஆஃப்டர் மை ஹஸ்பண்ட் இட் பிகேம் தட் வாட் எவர் ஐ டெல், he used to give me, my dad used to give me dad and my son. From my mother, she's a strong patient lady who will do with the endurance. அதாவது எவ்வளவு டைம் வேலை கொடுத்தாலும் she will be doing. And my son இந்த டைம்ல வந்து he was the technical sideல ஒரு டைம் சப்போர்ட்டிவா இருக்கிறாங்க. டாட்டர் ஃப்ரம் US, அவங்க ஐ மீன் கனடா. ஸோ அவளுமே அங்கிருந்து அவ சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கிறாங்க, you have to finish this. Although I have not seen her for ஒரு 2.5 years ஆயிடுச்சு அவளை போய் பார்த்துட்டு. ஓகே இது கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டு நீ வாங்க. ஸோ anything I ask her also she will be doing from there for me. So இந்த சப்போர்ட் எல்லாம் இல்லைன்னா totally they left me for Innerville this year. So that is the greatest support I should say. Anything I want, I just ask them, my dad and my, because of this only we are able to do. Otherwise it's very difficult to carry on, particularly this particular year it is very difficult.
ரொம்ப பியூட்டிஃபுல் இது சொல்லிருக்கீங்க. No wonder you are so successful with so many motivators around you. டிராவல் பிக்சர்ஸ் பார்த்தேன்னா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப் வந்து எவ்வளவு இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் உங்களுக்கு, ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் நினைக்கிறேன். உங்களோட ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்ட் உங்களை பத்தி என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க கேட்போமா?
I have known Annam for nearly 18 to 19 years now. Myself and Annam were neighbors, and that is how we got acquainted. It is when she took up the post of secretary that she motivated me to join Innerville Club and we became friends.
யாரு தெரிஞ்சிருக்குமே இல்லையா?
உஷா. ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எப்படி நான் கொஞ்சம் டிப்ளமேட்டிக்கா இருப்பேன், எல்லாரு கூடயுமே ஐ வில் பி தேர். உஷா ஃப்ரெண்ட், ஷீ வாஸ் ஆப்போசிட் டு மை ஹவுஸ். நாங்க வந்து இருந்தோம். நான் வந்து கல்யாணம் ஆகி வந்ததுல இருந்து ஷீ இஸ் மை ஆப்போசிட் பர்சன். ஆனா 2 பேரும் அவங்க அங்க இருந்து பேசுவாங்க, பேசக்கூட மாட்டேன் நான் அவங்க கிட்ட, அவங்களும் என்கிட்ட பேசினது கிடையாது. தே டோல்ட் மீ ஒரு மெம்பராவது செக்ரட்டரி சேர்க்கணும்னு. அப்ப எனக்கு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் யாரு, அடுத்த வீட்டுல யாரு இருக்கிறாங்க, பின்னாடி வீட்டுல யாரும் தெரியாது. எனக்கு பிள்ளைங்க இருக்காங்களா, அவங்களுக்கு சாப்பிட்டா ஃபுல்லி டேக்கிங் கேர் ஆஃப் சில்ட்ரன். இது பண்ணோன்னே எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச ஒரே ஒரு ஆளு, ஷி வாஸ் இன் த ஆப்போசிட் ஹவுஸ். ஸோ ஐ டோல்ட் ஹர், நீங்க வந்து இந்த பாருங்க இத சேர்ந்துக்கிறீங்களான்னு சொன்னேன். தட் இஸ் ஹவு வி பிகேம் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ். அதுக்கப்புறம் எனக்கு செக்ரட்டரியா ஒர்க் பண்ணாங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன், நான் எப்ப சேர்மன் ஆகுறேனோ நீங்க வந்து பிரசிடென்ட் ஆகணும் கண்டிப்பா நான் சொல்லியிருந்தேன். லக்கிலி அவங்களும் இந்த பிரசிடென்ட்ஷிப் எடுத்ததுனால இட் இஸ் சோ நைஸ் டு ஒர்க் வித் ஆன் எனி டைம்ஸ். இப்ப நம்ம கான்ஃபரன்ஸோ இதெல்லாம் வந்ததுனால நம்ம ஒரு ட்ரிப்பு போறோம்னா ஐ வில் பி ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி வித் எவ்ரிபடி. ஓகே, ஸோ ஈஸிலி ஐ கேன் கெட் அலாங். ரொம்ப பேச மாட்டேன், பட் ஒன்ஸ் ஐ ஸ்டார்டட் ஐ வில் பி become friendly with.
உங்க zodiac sign Pisces இல்லையா? அப்ப Pisces ஓட குவாலிட்டிஸ் பாத்தீங்கன்னா கரெக்ட்டா மேட்ச் ஆகுது உங்க கூட. A Pisces woman is compassionate, selfless, sympathetic, artistic, intuitive, carefree, imaginative and joyful.
Okay.
Mostly ஒத்து போகுது நினைக்கிறேன்.
நீங்க கேட்டதுக்கு அப்புறம் you remember after some time only I sent you the sign. Because I didn't know what was my sign.
நம்புறீங்க, ஜோசியத்தை நம்பல?
இல்ல, நான் ரொம்ப மாட்டேன். சூப்பர்ஸ்டிஷன், அந்த ஜோசியம், இந்த பூனை போச்சுன்னா கீழே விழுந்துச்சுன்னா அதெல்லாம் நான் ஜஸ்ட்
நம்பிக்கை இல்ல,
முடிஞ்சிச்சு அவ்வளவுதான்.
அன்வைண்டிங் அன்னத்துல நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து நெக்ஸ்ட் செக்மெண்ட் இஸ் துரித தீ வினாக்கள்.
What weird food combination do you really enjoy?
Okay. அந்த வியர்டுங்கிறது வந்து எவ்ரி டைம் வி வில் மேக் சூப் எல்லாம், வெஜிடபிள் சூப், எஸ்பெஷலி பீட்ரூட் ஒரு சூப் பண்ணுவோம், எங்க இதுல பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ இட் இஸ் அந்த சூப்பு கூட கர்டு அதை வந்து நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணா அதுல ஒரு டேஸ்ட் வரும். அது வந்து எனக்கு பிடிக்கும். ஸோ அதனால வந்து அந்த மாதிரியே என் பசங்களுக்கு சின்னதுல நான் கொடுத்துட்டு இருந்திருக்கேன். இப்ப அவன் பையன் வந்தப்ப அவன் சொல்றான், ஐயோ இந்த பீட்ரூட் சூப்ல வேற ஒரு கேர்டை வந்து நீ ஊத்தி குடுப்பீங்களேமா, அதை விட கொடுமை இல்ல.
What social stigma does society need to get over?
வந்து அந்த இங்கிலீஷ் பேசுறவங்க அப்படின்னு சொன்ன உடனே என்ன நினைச்சுக்கிறாங்க மித்தவங்க, ஐயோ அவங்களுக்கு தெரியும், அவங்க பின்னாடி போயிருவாங்க. பட் தட் மேட்டர் இஸ் நாட் லைக் தட். ஏன்னா நான் இப்ப வந்து ஒரு காலேஜ்ல அவினாஷ் லிங்கத்துல படிச்சப்போ I could talk English, write English, but I told you, as I told you, I was not a very outstanding student எல்லாம். அங்க போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் அவங்க வந்து ஐ வாஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் அ பேக் பெஞ்சர். அப்ப வந்து ஒரு எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் கிளாஸ்ன்னு போனப்ப தேர் நியர்லி 120 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இன் ஒன் கிளாஸ். எப்பவும் போல I'm tall also, so I took the back bench பின்னாடி உட்கார்ந்துருந்தா எக்கனாமிக்ஸ் ப்ரொஃபசர் இஸ் ஆஸ்கிங் டிஃபைன் எக்கனாமிக்ஸ். ஐயோ இங்கேயும் கேள்வியை கேட்டுட்டாங்கன்னு I just drew my head behind the person who was sitting in front of me. உடனே she spotted out me and she said, can you answer? இப்ப எந்திரிச்சு நிக்கிற. ஸோ எனக்கு தெரிஞ்ச இங்கிலீஷ்ல கடக்கடன்னு மைண்ட் அப்ப ஓடுது, சொல்லிட்டேன். அன்னையில இருந்து I became a famous person in economics just because of that one thing of English which I spoke. அதுக்கப்புறம் people used to come to me to learn things economics. அப்ப வந்து நான் I just used to close the book. ஏன்னா எனக்கு இங்கிலீஷ் தெரிஞ்சது மட்டும்தான். But so many people who came to me, they would tell even more than me. I'm just a translator for them. அப்ப I used to encourage with them. I used to tell them, நீ நல்லா உனக்கு நிறைய தெரியுது, only thing you don't know English. So you don't have the thing, you will shine even better coming. So அதை பார்க்கும்போது I'm thinking that that stigma அந்த இங்கிலீஷ்ங்கிறதுக்கு விட்டுட்டு I think we should give them அந்த இன்டெலிஜென்ஸுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கணும். And another thing of this what you call this gadgets technology, it is always one stigma. இந்த வயசு ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா இவங்களுக்கு இந்த டெக்னாலஜி தெரியாது அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி அதையே நம்மள உட்கார வச்சிரும். இப்ப நம்மளுக்கு அததான் நான் சொல்றேன். அப்ப don't ever think your age and the technology has no connection at all. You have to sit and learn things to learn that. In that example, I can tell my mom, who's now, she's almost 80 years old. அவங்களுக்கு வந்து of late வந்து என்ன ஆயிட்டாங்கன்னா அவங்களுக்கு இந்த கம்ப்யூட்டர் எதுவுமே கனெக்ஷன் இல்லாதனால she became so isolated. அப்புறம் she asked, எனக்கு யாராவது கம்ப்யூட்டர் சொல்லி கொடுப்பாங்களான்னு. So in Chennai, my daughter has employed one man to come and teach her computer. After that, she understood, okay, word na idu, ipo iduna adu, idella solranga. So adu became advertisement, and so many people took that particular teacher. And the 60-70 la avanga solli kudukranga and ivangalukku. So I feel that anything and the stigma ivangalukku vandu varadu pannadu அப்படினு நம்ம we should take efforts to go about with that thing. So these two I think it should
excellent answer, very good answer. Yeah, okay, இப்போ டான் answers. இஷ்ட தெய்வம்
என்னோட நம்ம குல தெய்வம் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, குல தெய்வம் எங்களோட ஃபேமிலி குல தெய்வம் ஐயனார் கருப்பர்.
worst nightmare?
நைட் மேஸே வர்றது இல்ல.
நீங்க ஆவி உள்ள வர நேரம் எல்லாம் முழிச்சிட்டு இருக்கீங்க, அதனாலதான் வருது. நாங்கெல்லாம் 10 மணிக்கு படுத்துடுறதுனால நிறைய நைட்மேர் வருது. You were a fat person before and now you're slim like me. So what is your fitness mantra?
நான் வந்து ஃபேட்டா அந்த பிகர் சைட்ல இருக்கும்போது கூட I used to do a lot of work out. அந்த ஒர்க் அவுட் எல்லாம் என்னன்னா, ஆனா அது குறையவே இல்லை. டு டெல் யூ த ஃபேக்ட், நான் வந்து அப்ப அவ்வளவு பெருசு இருந்தா கூட I used to have all the gadgets in my house. அந்த ட்ரெட்மில் அது இது எல்லாமே இருக்கும். இப்போ ஒரு வெட்டிங்க்கு நாங்க 5 மணிக்கு we have to go to our town. அப்படி போறதுக்கு பார்த்தாக்க நான் வந்து 3 மணிக்கே எந்திரிச்சு இதெல்லாம் பண்ணி முடிச்சுட்டு நான் போவேன். அப்பெல்லாம் ஒண்ணுமே குறையல. அதுக்கப்புறம் I lost my husband. I didn't do anything. Totally it brought down whole thing. அது unhealthy-ஆ இருந்துச்சு. But after sometimes I realized நம்ம healthy-ஆ இருக்கணும்னு, then I started doing a little bit of yoga. Then diet food வேணும், but still I'm not able to follow that. And then walking, all these things. I like கொஞ்சம் நல்ல healthy foods தான் பிடிக்குமே கூட. So that maintained after that.
Favorite pastime?
My favorite with my grandchildren. I like to tell them lot of stories. Very realistically, I will tell them, narrate stories about their parents எல்லாமே. So that is a thing to teach them. அவங்களுக்கு சொல்லி கொடுப்பேன். Even now I teach them their lessons, everything. So
favorite movie star male?
How I like that Geeta Govindamoட.
Oh, Vijay Deverakonda.
Vijay Dev.
Favorite book?
I don't read much books. So
your signature dish, நீங்க பண்றதுல பெஸ்ட்னு எல்லாரும் சொல்ற dish?
It is long time I started going to the cookery thing, but I used to do some healthy salads and I will do very nicely because I like that.
Your favorite destination? நிறைய travel பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. Some place must be favorite, right?
நான் போன பிளேஸ்ல வந்து நியூசிலாந்து I liked it very much, and we were there only for 4 days. Like,
from whom you want to hide yourself?
நான் ஏன் ஹைட் பண்ணணும்?
வேண்டாம்ல, எல்லாத்தையுமே நீங்க இது ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியா இருக்கீங்க, அப்ப ஏன் ஹைட் பண்ணணும் இல்லையா?
உண்மையிலே எனக்கு ஹைட் பண்ணணும்னு, ஐயோ இவங்க வர்றாங்க நம்ம பின்னாடி போய்க்கணுமே, பேசக்கூடாது. அது அந்த ஸ்கூல் டைம்ல இருந்துச்சு, கொஸ்டின் கேட்டாங்கன்னா பின்னாடி ஒளிஞ்சுக்குவான்ட்டு. இப்ப வந்து கிடையாது. Nothing to hide about.
Most cherished gift.
Yes, that is thoughtfully my husband only. He used to give me surprises every time. He used to take extra effort, and over at 12 o'clock, it was so late on my birthday. When he came there, I was almost shouting at him, see, it is almost 12 o'clock. So he has a very smiling face, and he's a short-tempered person, but a very smiling face also. And every time then slowly he was taking one thing. As he was taking, I was thinking, ஐயோ நமக்கு தெரியாம எதையோ ஒரு பெருசா வாங்கிட்டு வந்துட்டாங்களோ அப்படிங்கறது, அந்த பணம் ஃபேக்டர் தான் எனக்கு மைண்ட் இருந்துச்சு. Then slowly he took out one thing, and it was one key. I thought it was okay, சரி கார் ஓகே, நமக்கு தேவையானதான் அப்படின்னு. So he will choose the color for me. It was one Santro which we had, that one red color Santro which he had given. And then adukaprom like small those crystal gifts ellaam appada it was introduced in India angra mari, and this crystal la nariya vandittu irukumla. Slowly adu onna eduthu kudutaanga, like a small child or ennaya vanda andha mari he was doing that, and he was telling adha he will tell me எப்பவுமே இந்த டீச்சர் மாதிரியே இருக்காத நான் சொல்லியிருக்கேன்ல. as you all tell, இப்பலாம் நீங்க சொன்னப்பதான் தெரியுது, ஓ நம்ம டீச்சர் மாதிரி கூட இருக்கிறோம் போலயே.
Your favorite song, just one line பாடி காட்டணும். ஆனா
ஃபேவரட் சாங் வந்து என்னோட பேரனுக்கு நான் வந்து தாலாட்டு பாடுறதுக்கு எதை பாடுவோம்னு நினைச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். ஒரு காலத்துல வீணை கத்துக்கிட்டு இருந்தேன், ஏதோ நான் ஒரு கொஞ்சம் பாட்டுகள் வாசிச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். அதை வச்சு ஒரு ஆயர்பாடி மாளிகைன்னு ஒரு எஸ்பிபியோட சாங்கு. ஸோ அதை வந்து நான் பாடி அது வந்து இப்ப கூட 2 பசங்களுமே அந்த ஏஜ் தாண்டிட்டாங்க. ஸோ அது எப்படி இருக்குங்கிறது எனக்கு தெரியல. இப்போ going to sing that, how that is going to be. Sing ஆயர்பாடி மாளிகையில் தாய் மடியில் கன்றினை போல் மாயக்கண்ணன் தூங்குகின்றான் தாலேலோ. அவன் வாய் நிறைய மண்ணை உண்டு மண்டலத்தை காட்டிய பின் தூங்குகின்றான் தாலேலோ. ஓய்வெடுத்து
தூங்குகின்றான் ஆராரோ.
That is
Thank you so much. So I have come to the end of the questions.
Okay. உங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னு நான் கேட்கணும். வேற
ரொம்ப என்ஜாய் பண்ணோம். ஆரம்பிக்கும்போது கொஞ்சம் ஒரு பயமா இருந்தது, அப்புறம் ரொம்ப ரிலாக்ஸ்ட் ஆயிட்டோம்.
Big thanks to you for sharing your what very valuable time with us for this. In என்ன சொல்லி இதுவும் this is like also
relaxed time மாதிரி தானே இருந்தது. We hope so.
கண்டிப்பா உங்க சாம்பியன்ஷிப்பை நாங்க நல்லா என்ஜாய் பண்ணோம். என்ன நீங்க நிறைய மோட்டிவேட் பண்ணீங்க. அந்த மோட்டிவேஷன்ல தான் we have to do so many things. எங்க பிரசிடென்ட்ஷிப் வந்து இந்த சமயத்துல இந்த பேண்டமிக்லயும் நல்லா இருக்குன்னா the one and only reason is our district chairman Mrs. Annapurni Udayappan.
So we are coming to an end to unwinding Annam. Thank you Mrs. Annapurni Udayappan for the quality time that you have spent with us. We are signing off. Rajalakshmi Ganapati and Parvati Vijaykumar. One word of thanks to Mrs. Shakila Habib, the editor of our club. She was the one who mooted this idea. Thanks to Shakila.
Okay, thank you so much. It was nice spending talking with you all. If it is too long, you just cut short wherever possible.
No problem. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Chairman. For nice cooperation.
Thank you so much. Anytime, I've always told District Chairman Annapurni is always at your call 24 hours. So I'm there, and in a period mudira varaikkum you can call me. You can anything. You can call me any part of the time. So I'm always ready.